Hey, my name is Star, and this is StarShow2. Now, friend told me that I have to be myself. So I don't know how I can be myself and y'all can't speak it. So, technically speaking, being my friend, oh crap, I'm sorry. Every time I do this, let's see. Someone dared me to burp the alphabet, but I had to do like this thing, so I had to collide it together. So I had to do a starfish. Okay, me and my friend, we was talking, and he was basically tripping about how I was texting. He said I gotta spell it right because it might make me feel dumb and stuff like that. Like you can't spell it with two. No, because I spelled something with two e's, but he said no. Then he told me I can't spell a phone straight because I spelled it with the F instead of PH. So he's like, oh well, it makes you look stuff like that, la 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 la, makes you feel educated and there and stuff, la 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 la. And I'm like, dude, seriously. And then he was like, well, I'm going dress like a and I was trying to tell him that he can't because he had the hair of a prince. So I spelled something wrong, and he told me that basically he's like, oh well, you can't spell with an A and then spell it with an H because basically it won't do it good. Cause I spell hype wrong sometimes. I just put like hype, and he said I got added H. So come on, you gotta give me credit. I have the balls to actually burp on national web. So anyway, but thinking to myself that if my friend told me I gotta be myself, then I might as well be myself. So, and plus tomorrow is Jay's birthday. And I don't know what to do. I really, really, really don't know what to do. So I was like, maybe I can give him a card like he did on me on my birthday. Like he gave me more than that. And I thought it was kind of lame. And I was thinking way back in the past how my girl's boyfriend named Elle gave her like all these flowers, but I said no, because then that's gotta be a switch. So I can't think of nothing, so hold on. I said M and N just to let y'all know. Then I found a perfect gift. So I was like, hold on, I can't do it because I gotta do it because if I don't do it, he'll be mad. So I was like, there it was. I can't tell y'all because basically he might be watching. So yeah, because I told him it's gonna be a surprise. And he will be. Don't you hate it when basically when you burp, basically it won't come out, but it will come out by itself? I need soda, that's why. And I'm low on soda. All I have is milk. Hold on. He'll be off. There we go. So, I was thinking that maybe I can go to Chester, but I can't go to Chester because I might run into D. QD is my ex boyfriend. So I was thinking to myself, are you ready to basically confront all your exes and tell them that you're sorry for hurting them, or they should say sorry for hurting you? So I was like, oh my God, it hurts. It really, really hurts. So I was like, I can't burp yes. Yeah, S. Hold on. S. There we go. So I was thinking to myself, and I would say my real name, but due to the fact the alphabet, I might as well put my initials out. So I told myself, what do you have to do? So as a bigger person, I had to do it. So your girl called her the oldest ex-boyfriend ever. I told him I was sorry for clipping him when he was running away from some other dude. And basically, you know me. I'll probably be the ignorant type or something like that. But you gotta be very, very fair. His name starts with a B, but I always call him, I don't know, I call him something that's Spanish. I think it was a cuss word though. So I had to, yeah, okay, here comes the hardest letter. I had to, hold on. 1, 2, it out. Double it out. Because basically, if I don't, then all my exes will get on me and I will probably don't know. Oh my God. I'm sorry. That one was not a burp. That one was more of a burp for me. I hate it when I force myself to burp and then one thing's not a burp and it gets to your throat, but then it's just like, and I'm like, oh. I did the whole alphabet. Okay. If y'all think I missed the alphabet, because the alphabet will probably be pointing either, I don't know which direction. If you're on like computer or stuff, you'll probably see it. If you're on the phone or anything, y'all gotta listen very, very, very closely. And if you think I missed the alphabet letter, then comment me on the following things that's below. Oh yeah, I forgot. If y'all on the cell phone, y'all can't see it. Email me on Facebook or Yahoo. That is it. So, yeah, I guess I knocked down everything. So, the real story to this, I just made it up. I made the whole thing up. The only thing that I didn't make up is JJ's birthday. That's it. So, yeah. And the fact that my friend D always hypocrite my texting and stuff. Other than that, everything is fake. So I think I did a dare. Yeah. And I killed it. Until next time, people, stay with your loved ones and stuff like that and make sure everything is just okay. Okay? Okay. This is